Welcome to our research institutes. Our research institutes put people, including our students, staff, and external stakeholders, at the heart of everything we do. Our research institutes inspire people to come together to solve current and future challenges of the country and the world. Our institutes are making a difference regionally as well as globally in climate action, health technology solutions, materials and manufacturing, modeling data, AI, and semiconductors. Together, we will continue to make a positive impact to people's lives. If you are passionate about our area of research, please come and join our journey.